Running /find-issues on your SDK project is how you start the issue-driven pipeline we introduced a couple episodes back. Type it into Claude Code and it goes to work before you do anything else. The command dispatches 5 parallel Explore agents. Each one is scoped to a specific category: bugs, inconsistencies, incomplete work, performance, and UI/accessibility. They run simultaneously and report back independently. Claude Code then deduplicates their findings by file and line number, so the same problem found by 2 different agents shows up only once. The categories are practical: bugs catches actual breakage, missing error handling, type mismatches. Inconsistencies finds places where the same thing is done 2 different ways across files. Incomplete work looks for to-do comments, placeholder implementations, dead code paths. Performance spots expensive patterns. And then UI/accessibility catches missing labels, poor contrast ratios, and elements that don't work with keyboard navigation. You might have 40 findings, you'll probably file 8 or 10. What comes back is a numbered list. Each item has a file path, a line reference, a problem description, and a category. You pick the ones worth pursuing, and the command files each selected finding as a GitHub issue via issue create. The issues it creates are intentionally rough. They describe the problem, but don't spec the solution. That's deliberate. Filing a structured implementation spec for every finding before you've decided which ones matter would be waste. The rough issue is a stake in the ground, nothing more. One thing to be clear on, /find-issues does not apply the ready label. That label is the signal used by the implementation command to know what's ready to build. Without it, nothing gets implemented. You need to run the spec command on each issue first. The spec step is where the real design work happens. For this command to work, you need the GitHub CLI installed and authenticated to your repo. If issue list works in your terminal, you're set. If not, sort that out before you run this next command. After the issues are filed, you'll have a list in GitHub with rough descriptions. The next step is the spec command, which takes each issue through a Q&A process and adds the detail that makes it implementable. Okay, thanks. Talk to you in the next one.